Forget chickpeas. Egypt's falafel uses this. Fava beans make it fluffier, greener, and 10 times crispier. Pro tip, soak fava beans 8+ hours. Gather your herbs, spices, and unpeeled soaked fava beans. Get ready to blend. Blend to sand texture, not paste. This gives your falafel the perfect consistency. Then mix in baking soda water for ultra fluffiness. Finally, fry each side for 3 to 4 minutes for that crisp perfection we all crave. Pair with tahini sauce and pickles, authentic street style. Once you've achieved that golden crunch, nestle your falafel into warm baladi bread. Layer with tangy pickles, ripe tomatoes, and a generous drizzle of creamy tahini. Enjoy the street-style falafel at home. Save this video to avoid fails. Let's talk falafel pitfalls. Using canned chickpeas? No way. Overblending into a paste? That's a no-go. It's all about soaked fava beans and a gritty texture for that authentic Egyptian crunch. Remember, fava beans in the right texture. Want more amazing recipes like this? Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. Full recipe below. Keep exploring flavors.